I like the way you map it out. I mean, I've planned this for about almost 2 3 years, but I haven't found a way to package it in a way it can be so individually. So it's good that this your ad come across. It just in a good timing. Very interesting how Facebook will target us, give us the thing that we need in the right time, and interestingly.
Yeah, 100%. And what do you think of the program so far?
I mean, I just I mean, I bought it a couple of weeks ago. I just started it last week, so I've done the two first. I think you have four, right? So I've done the first two already. No, it's great because I've done public speaking learning. They talk about helping you getting a program done, but then they don't teach you directly exactly what needs to be done, the steps. And so I kind of going around in circle. I started my own thing. I did my PowerPoint. I want to sell. I talked to a few people. How do you help me with that? But I couldn't find anyone that actually helped me package it the way you did. And so no, I'm enjoying it. I'm really excited because I already have my education there. I just can't. I just don't know how to put it in an online format. That's all. So it's great. I think it's great, and very detailed to the point, step by step.
Yeah, 100%. Excited to make this happen for you and make you our next success story.
Okay, thank you. Yeah.